In this video, I'm looking at 10 different types of business models that all companies fit into. No matter if you're a small startup or an established enterprise, your company will loosely fit into one of these business models. Business model number one is distribution. Now, Amazon has disrupted this sector immensely, but there's still plenty of companies out there that make money from bridging the gap between manufacturer and consumer. Business model number two is utilities. This provides the core infrastructure in which our world operates. This is things like 5G communications and power lines, for example. Business model number three is natural resources. The London FTSE 100 index is particularly weighted towards miners and oil companies that extract natural resources. Business category number four is media. Well, historically this might be print media and TV companies. We're now seeing a more distributed network of content creators and influencers building media and monetizing their efforts. Business model number five is manufacturing. This is taking either raw materials or components and putting them together to add value to create something. Business model 6 is relatively recent, and that's the development of software. Some of the biggest companies in the world are focused around building software. Companies like Microsoft and Google, and even Apple classes itself as a software company. The next business model is human resources. This is providing expertise or manpower to a third-party organization. Think of things along the lines of HR companies and consultants. Business model number 8 is real estate. This could be either commercial or residential real estate, where you're effectively earning rent for owning a property. Business model number 9 is financials. There's huge disruption right now in the fintech sector. Financial services can provide things like bank accounts or insurance products for consumers and businesses. Business model number 10 is entertainment. It's been particularly hard hit by the COVID pandemic, but there's always going to be a business model around fulfilling the consumer's need to be entertained. So those are the 10 types of business model that I've come up with. If you can think of a business that doesn't fit into one of them categories, let me know in the comments. If you're interested in online business, performance marketing, web development, then subscribe to the channel and check out my blog for more information. Thank you for watching.